Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech with Arif. So in this video I am going to show you how to hack efootball Pes2020 mobile by using Game Guardian. So let's get started. Is it easy to hack any game with the Game Guardian without root. So let's open Game Guardian and select Pes2020. You can see that there is no more coins are there. Select that value, type that value in search box, the amount of coins you have. So you can see 3, then select any of them and change that value to unlimited. You can type any number, then click OK. Go to team management and click that. You can see that the value is added and it's gone. So you again need to search that value on Game Guardian and click on the freeze button. You need to click on the freeze button and type unlimited and click OK. You can see that it is permanently hacked. Now you need to search for the number of coins. It will be 10 now. Then you need to select 10, search for 10. You need to increase some coins before selecting, so you can easily search for it. You can increase by joining bonus, such things. Now it's where the value is 20. You can search for 20 and select that value and click freeze and type unlimited and yes. Okay, now you can see that it is successfully hacked and there will be 99999 GP and 9999 my club coins. Here I am selecting this. The traffic is little bit hanging, high traffic. Due to high traffic the server is hanging. You can easily hack any games using Game Guardians. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Subscribe my channel, like this video, share this video, comment your suggestions. Okay, enjoy the game. Thanks for watching.